First you open your Facebook app, then you go your profile, go down and see your photos like this. Open your photos and click on the right time three dot and go down, edit privacy and see more, put only me. Okay, now you go back, go setting, and privacy setting, profile setting, profile and tagging. See, who can post on your timeline like this, put only me. Okay, go back, who can see what others post on your profile, select this, see more and put only me. That's it, that's all.